Okay, today we are tackling a common frustration, the low volume issue on Windows. So if you have been struggling with this problem, stick around because I have got some powerful solution to get your audio booming again. So yeah, let's jump right in.
You're a superhero.
Okay, the first step is you need to search for control panel and open it. So after that you need to go to category section and select for large icons. After that you need to search for sounds. Okay, so you can see over here. So after that you need to go to communication section and select the last option. So tap on apply and click on OK. So the second step is again go to sounds, select the speaker and move to properties. So after that you need to move to labels. So make sure the upper part is selected for 100% and we have nothing to do with the second option, microphone. And the next step is you need to move to advanced and select the last option. So after that you need to click on apply and select OK. In the next step is you need to move to troubleshoot. So select the recommend troubleshooting. So make sure that it is set to the first one, run troubleshooters automatically, don't notify me. So go to troubleshooting history. Okay, so after that you need to select for the second option, playing audio. So just tap on it. So you can see run the troubleshooter. So just tap on it. It will detect problem, and if you have problem with it, it will solve your problem. So after the scanning you will find this kind of interface. So you need to select for the first option as open audio enhancement. You can just tap on yes. So now you can see here the problem is fixed. So these were the steps that you can proceed. So if you are still having a problem, then I would suggest volume booster software. So not to a newer laptop, but you can try it in your older laptop. So it may damage your speaker if you are having a new laptop. So yeah, if you have tried the previous solution and if you are still not satisfied with the volume level, you can consider using a third-party volume booster software. There are several options available in online that can amplify the sound beyond the default limits set by Windows. However, it be cautious when using such software and ensure you download from trusted sources. So yeah, thanks for watching.